Howdy there, everybody in YouTube land. This is just a quick little update. I think this is the same JL I did a video on a while ago. Well, it came back to me, exploded again. Same issue, bad power transistors again, some driver chip that's going to have to be replaced. The other thing too is these capacitors have seen some extreme heat in their life, so they've probably reached the end of the life. So I'm going to have to change those as well if I want any kind of reliability out of it. But the reason why I'm making this video is I wanted to talk about that, but I don't think I ever got to it in the video. But see those blue patch wires? That's another common problem these things have, and the vias, the through-hole vertical vias, tend to break, and it cuts off the rail voltages to these chips, and it happens all over this preamp board. But this is the most common problem, and what'll happen is you'll lose power to these chips. The chips will get hot, or they don't work at all, and you have no sound, or you might have a little bit of sound, and then that's it, you know. So you always want to check to make sure your positive and negative rail voltages are there, and if they're missing, as such in this case it was, there's always a pair of 10 ohm resistors that supply a section of chips, and they're all the way through this board. See if I can spot another set. There's one here, there's another one over here. There's always a group of 10 ohm resistors. There's another set here that power a section of chips. And the reason why that is they kind of act like fuses. So if this chip was to short, these things will burn open. And you can usually tell because you'll have a hole in the top. But in this case, the via opened up, which cut off my rail voltage to two of these chips here. This chip still had it, but these two didn't, so I had to run patch wires. And there's another transistor I soldered it to down here as well, which I don't think you can see. Yeah, you might be able to. Next to R12, there's a little SOT23 transistor. But that's really what I wanted to show you. So anytime you get an amp that has no audio, but all the output stage and everything checks good, check in these spots. Another thing too is these pots and switches will get scratchy and noisy, and if you wiggle them, the audio will cut in and out. So you want to spray those out too. Anyways, that's just a quick update for this JL1000. So thank you for watching, and please feel free to leave a comment if you have one.